Hello and welcome again to a very exciting video for me. I was stalking the DHL tracking because I couldn't wait for this to arrive, and it is the third Atiny fan kit. But this is actually my first Atiny fan kit because I only became an Atiny last year. Actually, my 1-year anniversary is coming up soon. So yes, this is very exciting for me, and I loved the theme for this year's fan kit. It was so cute, so kind of weird, but so cute. And also the color scheme. It's very similar to their first photo book, just a bit more blue in this one. And yes, I love it. So let's dig in. All right, okay. I'm gonna take off the sleeve. Laundry service for Atiny. Oh, it has their birth years here. So cute. Okay, yeah, so that's it for the sleeve. It's just this design on the front. And the box, so it says No Waste Clean Zone, ATEEZ Third Official Fan Club, Atiny Kits with 2022, and it has their names here, and then laundry service for Atiny, and it has ATEEZ on the outside here, and ATEEZ 8 Makes One Team on the bottom there. Cool. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, so right on the lid it says Our Eternal Stars Atiny. So cute. Okay, so first up, this is the air freshener. I almost don't want to open it because I want the smell to last, but I did hear online that it smelled really good, so I'm kind of excited. Yeah, I can't really smell through the plastic. Should I just open it? Oh, it does smell good. Holy crap. Oh, it smells so fresh and clean. Oh. Oh. I actually really like this. Like, again, such a weird idea, but actually so clever. So yeah, it has all their names. Our Eternal Stars Atiny. And again, the blue and green color scheme. Oh, I like this. I'm gonna hang it up in my room. Oh, yay. All right, okay, so this is the Garland. Probably gonna hang this up in my room as well. Oh, we have to string it ourselves. It doesn't come strings. We have to string it ourselves. All right, so let's look at them all. So this is Hongjun's. I think all the backs are probably the same. Songhwa. Oh, they alternate colors, it looks like. That's fun. Yunho. Here's the lighter green background. Yosang. San. Mingi. Woyoung. And Jungho. Cute! Definitely gonna hang this up as well. All right. Oh, and now the photo strips, right? These aren't stickers, right? I can't tell. I think they're just photo strips, they're not stickers. I don't remember from the specs. Got Yunho and Yeosang. So cute! Oh my god. So cute. Woosan. Also so cute. Oh my god. Look at these two. Oh, this is so funny. so cute. I don't know how I'm going to display these, but I want to. Our oldest and our youngest. So cute. Oh my god. And our deer wrappers. Oh, I like this side. The sky, it looks so nice. The color grading in these photos is really nice. Cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. So, what is this? Care label? Wait. Oh, are these stickers? Oh, these are the little IDs. Okay. So let's take a look at these. So you got Hongjun. Songhwa. I don't know how to hold these. They're so small. Songhwa. Yoonho. Yeosang. Oh, San, you're upside down. San. These ones are going to be upside down. Mingi. Wooyoung. And Jung. Cute! Normally, I put these ones in my binder and I just stick them in the middle of a normal sleeve and call it a day. So I'll put these back in here. So they come in this little pouch. That's cute. Oh yes, I was so excited for this. Oh my gosh. Let me open this one up. When I saw that this is being included in the fan kit, I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. I don't know what photo card I'm going to put in here though. I need to figure it out. So cute. And the color scheme too. Ugh, oh my gosh, what photo? This is going to drive me nuts now. I don't know what photo card to pick. What am I going to do? The true dilemma. Oh my god, that's so cute though. Oh. And the photo cards. Ooh, and the backs. Oh, yes. Sometimes, see, this is a cute back. And when I see a back like this, oh my god, I'm like smelling this right now. It smells really good. Anyway, when I see a back like this, sometimes I'm sad that I use the white card sleeves. But like normally they're album cards. The backs are not that exciting, at least to me, so I don't care. But like ones like this, I'm like, no, I do want to see the back. Anyway. Okay, so we have Hongjun. He looks cute in that jacket. So cute. Songhwa. Yoonho. I'm like kind of shaking from excitement. Yeosang, so cute. I love this. San with his signature pose. I feel like this is his signature pose. He always does this. Mingi. Oh, I like his shirt. I just noticed. Wooyoung. And Jungho. I'm gonna say that just like that from in every single instance when I say Jungho's name. I would be like, and Jungho. Cute, yay! So yes, like I said before, this is my first fan kit, so I do not have the rejoin photo cards. A little sad about it, but next year. Okay, so is this a big poster? Where am I gonna put this? Let's see what this is. These are stickers. Oh my god, these are so Yeosang Doberman. Oh, but it's a Maltese there. That's cute. This is cute. Oh my god, these are so cute. I want to use these. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. These are so cute. Oh my god. Okay, yes, I need to use these in some way. Oh my god, these are so cute. Holy shit, I love this. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, are these, what is this? This doesn't feel like postcard material, or not postcard, a poster material. It's like, it feels a little thinner, but I guess these are just prints. Like, it almost feels like magazine material. I guess these are just prints. I don't know where to put it. I'm running out of space. Cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to display these somehow. Oh my gosh. Songhwa. Yunho. Gosh, we're getting so much in this kit. This is so cool. Why is this his sideways? No. You ruined the orientation. Oh, Mingy's too. No, KQ. I mean, still adorable. Oh, and Wooyoing's too. Oh, KQ. Still adorable. Does not take away from the adorableness from Jongho's. Well, see, they all need to be the same orientation, right? Am I the only one who thinks that? I feel like they should all be the same orientation so that it's uniform when it's in the binder. Come on now. Come on, KQ. Okay, and this must be the poster. I need to be careful. I don't want to rip it. Oh my god, where am I going to put this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my god. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I'm going to figure it out. Okay. So, those were little posters. Alright, and now for the photo books, I'm going to move this box to the side. And let's get this photo book open. Okay, so here's the photo book. So it has the main image that they've been using for this fan kit, which also is my lock screen photo. I love it so much. Yay! Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, interview. Do they have? Oh, they do have translations. Yes! Oh my gosh. Bless you, KQ, for doing this. I'm so happy that in the photo book and in this one, they included translations. That's so nice. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, this color. Again, I said this about the photo book, but also with this, the color grading in the photos is so nice. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this smells really good. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, wait. When you touch it, like, it increases the smell. I just got, like, another whiff of it. They're so cute. Oh, like, the most precious wrappers to ever exist. Oh my god, look at them. Oh my gosh. So cute. Ugh, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Such a weird concept, but it's so adorable and it actually works really well. Like, who came up with this concept? I want to know. Oh my gosh, I love this. They're so cute. Where did they take these photos? Were they in the US? Oh my gosh. Pink hair Hua. Oh my gosh. cute. These graphics. Everything is so cute. Ugh, I want to do the graphic design stuff for KQ. My job would be so nice. I'm a graphic designer, by the way. In case you didn't know, I've said that a few times before. But like setting up photo books like this, just setting up documents like this, I've done it, I do it a lot. And just imagine as a graphic designer, if your job was just laying out these pages with all these photos, I would be so happy. I would be so happy if that was my job. Unfortunately, I work a very corporate job, but that's okay. It pays the bills. It pays for this. Did he draw this? This looks really good. I love this photo. I think they posted this. They posted a few of these on their Twitter. I saw this and I was like, oh my god, this is so precious. I don't know if it was a scan or if it was one that they had tweeted, but I definitely saw it on my timeline. I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. This is so nice. The color grading, everything is so cohesive. It looks so nice. Oh my gosh, he looks so... Is that a hot pack on his head? What is it? Oh, it's a sock. Oh, lol. Oh my gosh. What's with them hugging the laundry detergent? Ah! This is so cute! Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my god, I love that jacket on him. Oh my god. So cute. Okay, now, is this a set or do you think it's an actual laundromat? Place your bets. I feel like it has to be a set. No laundromat looks like that. Emon! Yay! So cute! So cute! Oh my god, I love it! Ugh, they're so cute. My friend's bias is Yunho, so when some of the photos first dropped from the fan kit with them together, we sent each other the pictures like, oh my god, look at them! Our babies! Ugh, these are so cute. Look at him, his little pout. Oh, I like the typography behind this right here. The design for this is so cute. They did such a good job. So cute. Ugh, so cute. He looks so good with blue hair. And also the blue hair kind of like fits with the vibe of this photo book, so it works out really well. Oh, look at them. Precious Wusan. Ow, yeah, this definitely hurts. Look at that. Like, this definitely hurts. I think everyone did this once when they were a kid. You like put on your fingers or you clip it to your mouth or something. You always do that when you're a kid. And it always hurts. You think it won't, but it does. Oh, these little bubbles here. I just noticed. So cute. This little mole. I love the heart too. I love the design of this. It is just so cute. Cuties. Outside concept now. Look at them! Ah, so cute! Oh, I love this spread. Oh, I love Hanju's pants. They look so cute. Yay! Oh my gosh, that was so fun! Yay! All right, and that is it for the third Atiny fan kit. I'm so excited about this. I think all the elements that we got within the fan kit are really cute, and the photo book is really cute, and the posters are really nice, and just everything is so nice, and this smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to put everything in my binder and to display it. And, this just made me so happy. Okay, so I hope for everyone else receiving their third Atiny fan kit that you have a lot of fun with it and you decorate stuff and hang stuff up, and it'll be really fun. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.